हेलो फ्रेंड्स, टुडे लेट्स लर्न वर्ब रिलेटेड टू कुकिंग। और ये सारे वर्ड आपको बहुत हेल्प करने वाले हैं स्पोकन इंग्लिश में। फर्स्ट वर्ड इज रोस्ट। इट मीन्स टू हीट एंड ड्राई समथिंग, इन हिंदी भूनना। नेक्स्ट इज फ्राई। इट मीन्स टू कुक समथिंग इन हॉट ऑयल, इन हिंदी तलना। Another is grind. It means to press and break something into small pieces or into powder. In Hindi, पीसना. Crush. It means to break something into small pieces. In Hindi, कुचलना और फोड़ना. Next is grate. To rub food items into small pieces using a metal tool. In Hindi, कद्दूकस. Another is bake. It means to cook something in an oven in dry heat. In Hindi, pakana. Another is boil and simmer. It means to cook something gently in a liquid. In Hindi, ubalna. Next is strain or sieve. It means to filter something or to sift something from something. It means छानना. Another, peel. It means to take the skin off a vegetable or fruit. In Hindi, छीलना. Next is knead. It means to mix flour and water with your hand. In Hindi, आटा गूंथना. Melt. It means something which changes from a solid to a liquid by means of heat. In Hindi, पिघलना. Next is slice. It means a flat piece of food that is cut from a larger piece. In Hindi, tukra. Mash. It means to mix or crush something until it is soft. In Hindi, masalna. Another is toast. It means to make something crisp, hot and brown by heat. In Hindi, sekna. Another is squeeze. It means to press something very hard until we get something. In Hindi, nichorna. Next is pour. It means to make something flow into container. It means bahna. Another is serve. It means to give food or drink to somebody during a meal. In Hindi, bhojan parosna. Next is saute. It means to fry food in a little oil until it turns brown. In Hindi, kam tel mein talna. And the last one is chop. It means to cut something into pieces with a knife. In Hindi, kaatna. I hope you learned many things. For more such videos, follow Improving English and do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.